start.
Are you ready to unlock the power of Excel? Whether you are managing data or analyzing trends or creating reports, Excel is one of the best tools for success and efficiency. Hey, this is Gayatri. In this video, we are going to see Excel and its interface. As we all know, Excel is one of the best tools, and it is Microsoft spreadsheet which is used to store data, organize data, and we can create a dashboard. Using that, we can analyze the data. So let's see the interface of it. This is the interface of Excel, and here we have multiple tabs like File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Automate, Help. Let's see some of the important tabs. First, this is our worksheet, sheet, and these are columns, A, B, C, D, E, F. These are columns, alphabets are columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers are rows. And this is cell, which contains a value, which stores a value. And its cell reference is A1 because it is in column A and row 1. Let's see this. This is E5 and this is formula bar. And this is sheet. And in home we are having multiple options like clipboard. In clipboard we can copy and paste the data. And in font, suppose let me write something, Fixity. Select this. I want to change it as Calibri. Just give Calibri. And we can bold the text, and we can apply italic, and we can underline the text, and we can increase and decrease the text. And we can also color the text. And we can fill the cell. This is font. Suppose select this area, you want borders. Select this, click all borders. I want all borders, so give all borders. And this is alignments. If you are merging the cells, suppose Fixity. Suppose you want to merge two cells. Select two, and here we have merge and center. Here we have multiple options like merge center, merge across, merge cells, and unmerge cells. And if you are selecting center, it will be in center. If you are selecting this, it will be in top. And this, align left, align right, and justification. And this is data type. Just select this. Now it is in general. You can change it into like number, but it will be invalid. And here we are having conditional formatting, like we will give some rules. For that we will apply colors. That is for conditional formatting. And here we have auto sum. Suppose, wait, I'll show you. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want to perform auto sum. Just select this and give this and click enter. You will get the sum of these numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, and here we have the option called sorting and filtering. Suppose if you are having some data, if you want to sort the data, you will use this options. Let's see this in next video. And here we have insert tab. In insert tab, we have pivot table. Pivot table is generally used for summarizing the data. Let's see this in another video. And here we can create the table. We just have to select the area and just click table and click OK. It will create a table. And here we can insert pictures and shapes, icons, 3D models, and smart art. Smart art is nothing but illustrations, some illustrations. Suppose you want to show the data in lists. Here we are having list option. Just click this or click whichever you want. Here you can give the data. And let's see some more options. and these are recommended charts. We will see this in visualizations. And slicer and timeline is like filter for charts. We will see this in pivot tables and charts. And if you want to draw a text box, then select this and draw and write something. Hi, I am from Fixity. And let's see a formulas. This is very important tab. Suppose you want to perform sum, average, count numbers, max, min, you will use this auto sum. Let's see one example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select this. Suppose you want average, just click average. You'll get average below. Suppose if you want max value, just give max. You'll get max of these 4 values, 5 values. And recently used, whichever formula if you are using recently, that will be displayed here. And financial formulas which are useful for financial department. And logical formulas, if this condition is true, then I have to print this, then this logical formula is useful. And text, suppose if you are having string data or text data, it will be useful. Suppose let's write Fixity. Suppose you want to change it into uppercase. Let's enter the text Fixity and give OK. See, if you are having text data, you will use text formulas. If you are having date or time, then you will use date formulas. For example, here you are having month. Suppose if you are having a date and you want to extract month, then you will use this month. And some lookup functions like area, h lookup, p lookup. Lookup functions we will see in the next video, separate video. And there are some other functions. And data. Data is very important tab where you can find Power Query editor. Get data. Get data is used to get data from different sources. From Excel we can get data, from PDF format or from databases, and this part is very useful. After getting data from, see, here it is showing from file, Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, PDF, some folder, and databases also. See, it is showing 4 different databases, and Azure, and Power Platforms as well. And after loading the data, if we have to perform any cleaning part, we will directly navigate to Power Query editor and we will perform some actions. And these are the main important tabs. And here we are having forecast sheet. Suppose if you are having line chart and you want to predict future part, then you will use forecast sheet. Till now we have seen Excel and its interface, and try to explore more options. If you have any doubt, comment down below. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you.